Hello cuties, welcome back to today's online Yoga class. Be ready with your workbook, notebook, student reader, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. If you are ready, let's start our today's class. Today in our phonics part, we're going to learn how to write the words by breaking it into sounds. Yes, in our previous classes, we already learnt how to read the words by joining the sounds. Today, in our phonics part, we are going to learn how to write the words by breaking the words into sounds. What is this, ma? This is known as segmenting. Segmenting. What is this? Segmenting. Repeat again. Segmenting. Segmenting means just break the words into sounds and then try to write this word. It is known as segmenting. Now I am going to say one word. Yes, in that word we just identify the beginning sound and then middle sound and also the end sound pattern. What is the end blend sound? Finally, we write the word in our note, right? Yes. Now, just hold on. Now, I am going to say one word. You just listen to the word carefully. Batch. Batch. Can you hear the word? Yes, batch. Now, we will identify the beginning sound of this word. Batch. What is the beginning sound of this word? B. B. And then we will identify the middle sound. Batch. Batch. What is the middle sound of this word? A. So that I write the letter A. For this sound A, I write this letter A. Ba. Finally, we will identify the end sound pattern. What is the end sound pattern of this word? Just listen carefully. I am going to say this word again. Batch. Batch. What is the end sound pattern of this word? Ch. Very good. What is end sound pattern? Ch. I write this T, C and H. Ch. Now, I will read this word. You just follow me and you just read along with me, ma. Yes. B. A. Ch. Batch. Right. Batch. Like this, we're going to do some more example. Now we're going to say this second word. Just listen to the word carefully. Lock. Lock. The beginning sound of this word is L. Lock. L. Middle sound A. Letter O stands for the sound A, right? La. Finally, we will identify the end sound pattern. What is the end sound pattern? K. K. Yes. K. Right? Lock. Lock. Now, you will see one more example. Camp. 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 Can you hear the word carefully? Yes. Just identify the beginning sound. K. Camp. K. 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 Next. Identify the middle sound. Camp. Camp. A. I think A stands for A, right? Finally, end sound pattern. What is the end sound pattern of this word? Mp. Camp. Mp. Mp. Right? Camp. K, k, a, mp. Camp. I hope you all understood this very well. Now we're going to do some activity in our notebook. So just be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser. I give you 3 seconds. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all ready with your notebook and then pencil, eraser? Yes. Now I will say some words. I will say some phonic words one by one. You just listen to the word carefully and then try to write the word by segmenting the word. Segmenting means, yes, we already learned what is segmenting. Breaking the words into beginning, middle and then end sound. Finally write the word in your notebook. Shall we start? Yes, I am going to say the first one. Hear the word carefully. Catch. 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 I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next one? The next word is tilt. Tilt. Hear the word carefully. Tilt. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move on to the third one. The third one is lock. Lock. Try to write neatly in your notebook. Don't scribble on your notebook, ma. Just identify the beginning, middle and then end sound. Finally write this word. Lock. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move on to the next one. The next one is milk. 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 I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall I move to the next one? The next word is dump. 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 Yes. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next one? The next word is camp. Camp. Hear the word carefully. Camp. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Let us move to the next one. Match. 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 I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. If you didn't finish means just pause the video and then try to write this word clearly in your notebook. Let us move to the next word. The next word is duck. 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 I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall I move to the next one? The next word is silk. Silk. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the last one. The last word is felt. 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 I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all finished writing? Yes. Look at this, children. If you have finished writing the words means you just make a self-correction of your answers with this. If you done any mistakes means you just clear it now itself. Just pause the video and then write the mistake words 2 times again in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds to make a self-correction. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move on to our whole words part. Today in our whole words part, I will take a practice dictation of the words we have done so far. Now, all of you be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, children. Now I will show the cards of each and every words that we have done so far in our classes. And then first we have to say this word, and I will take away the card from your view. After then I give you 3 seconds. You just write this word in your notebook. Just write the spelling of this word in your notebook without seeing the card. You have to write the spelling. Let's start, children. Yes, look at the first card. Life. Life. L-I-F-E. Life. You just say the spelling along with me. L-I-F-E. Life. Now we're going to take away the card. Yes. Now you have to write the word life in your notebook. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. You just say and write the word, ma. Say and write the spelling of the word. Let us show the next card. Look at the next card. What word is this? Top. Top. T-O-P. Top. Say along with me. T-O-P. Top. Yes. I'm going to take away the card. Just write the word spelling top in your notebook. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing? Shall we move to the next word? Look at the next word. Add. 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 A-D-D. Add. A-D-D. Add. Shall I take away the card? Yes, just write the word add. Spelling of the word add in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing the word add? Shall we move to the next one? Yes, look at the next word. Scene. Scene. S-E-E-N. Scene. Listen carefully. Just read along with me, ma. S-E-E-N. Scene. Now I am going to take away this card. Just write the spelling of word scene. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the next word. Took. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. T-O-O-K. Took. Yes. Did you read this word? Yes. Now we are going to take away this card. Write the word took in your notebook. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the word such. Such. Repeat again. Such. S-U-C-H. Such. Say again, ma. S-U-C-H. Such. Start writing the word such. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Look at the next one. Rich. Rich. What word is this? Rich. R-I-C-H. Rich. R-I-C-H. Rich. Now we will take away this card. Yes. Try to write the word rich. Rich. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all finished writing? Yes. If you finished writing means you just open your SR 29 in Unit 8 and the page number is 114. You just make a self-correction of the words in this SR 29. If you done any mistakes means you just clear it now itself and then write that word 2 times again in your notebook. Okay children. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete correction? Yes. Let us move on to our RLC part. Okay children, today in our RLC part, you will read all the stories in Unit 8. Just open SR 2 in Unit 8, the page number 87. Just start reading the story. Raj's visit to the Golden Temple as your own. Practice the story. Raj's visit to the Golden Temple in your SR book, ma'am. Just pause the video and then try to read this story as your own. Now we will see the vocabulary words from this story, Raj's visit to the Golden Temple. Look at the SR 25, page number 90, ma'am. Grumpy. Just point it with your finger and then read along with me. Grumpy. Bad mood. Repeat again. Grumpy. Bad mood. Gleam. Shine. Gleam. Shine. Dome. Arch roof. Dome. Arch roof. Walk away. Walkway. A path for walking along. Turn next SR 7, Nervous Mohit. You just start reading the story Nervous Mohit as your own in SR 7, ma'am. You just pause the video and then complete reading this story. Now we will see the vocabulary words for this story. Just turn next page SR 9 and the page number 94. Nervous. Easily afraid. Symbol. A mark to show something. Minaret. A tall tower. Read along with me. Marble. A white stone used in buildings. Courage. Not being afraid. Okay children, let us turn the next page, SR 12. In SR 12, we will read the story, The Taj Mahal. Just start reading the story Taj Mahal as your own in your SR 12. Just pause the video and then try to read this as your own. Let us see the vocabulary words from this story. Look at this. Crown. Something worn by a king or queen. Precious. Very rare. Precious. Very rare. Destination. Repeat again. Destination. The end place of a journey. Appears. Looks. Appears. Looks. Attractive. Something that people want to see. Attractive. Something that people want to see. Takes next story. In SR 16, Save Our Monuments. Try to read the story as your own. Let us see the vocabulary words from this story. For this vocabulary story, we just turn SR 18 on the page number 103. Pride. Feeling good about something you did. Preserve. Keep safely. Citizen. Person of a country. Tidy. Neatly kept. Duty. Work you must do. Litter. Garbage. Let us move on to the next story. Turn next page, SR 21 in page number 106 ma. Just start reading the story. Ram goes to Delhi. Just pause the video and then try to read the story as your own. Now we will see the vocabulary words from this story. Just open SR 24 and the page number 109. Look at this. Airplane, a vehicle that can fly. Suitcase, a box to pack clothes in. Bored, not excited. What is this ma? Bored, not excited. See the next word. Security, protecting. Remember, thinking of something you already know. Shall we move to the next one? Next story, Rima loves monuments. In SR 24, you just start reading the story. Rima loves monuments as your own. Turn next page, SR 25. Heritage, history and culture. Awe, wonder. Take next story, the India Gate and Gateway of India in SR 26 and the page number 111. Just start reading the story as your own. Yes, let us see the vocabulary words for the story. Turn next page, SR 28 and the page number 113. Look at the vocabulary words. History, the old story of people or place. Confuse, not thinking correctly. Memorial, a building to remember something. Port, place near the water where ships stop. Entrance, opening to get into a place. Okay children, you just go through and read all the stories and also the vocabulary words for each and every stories. Read, practice and then by heart all the vocabulary words ma. Let us move on to grammar part. For our grammar part, so all of you ready with your worksheet 21. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the first question. Read the short passage given below. Circle the singular and plural nouns. Draw a box around the collective nouns and underline the gender nouns. Just do it as your own in your workbook. Second question. Read the sentence. Underline the collective nouns. From the given sentence, you just underline all the collective nouns from each and every sentence. Okay children. Today we completed our unit 8. Tomorrow onwards we will revise all the units from our part 2 book. So now today we will write an self-test from the assessment unit 8. I will show the assessment paper for this unit 8. Look at this ma. This is the assessment for unit 8. Yes, you just make a self-test. Write the self-test for this assessment in your notebook or in any other paper. Yes, if you want anybody to write this question and then you just answer the questions as your own. I will send the dictations in WhatsApp group. You just ask anybody to dictate the words, and then you only write the words in this dictation question, right? Let us see the second question. Fill in the blanks with the correct sound pattern from the options given. Here some pictures are given in this second question. You just see the picture, say the word, finally find the correct end blend sound from the options given here, and then you have to fill in this blank. With the correct option, you have to correct end sound pattern, you have to fill in this blank, ma'am. Right? Yes, this all questions carry each 5 half mark, totally 3 marks for this second question. Next page number 2, third question. Read the sentence. Write if the underlined word is singular or plural. Here 3 subpart questions are given. You just read the sentence and have to find the word. Underlined word is whether singular or plural. If it is singular means you just write this blank space singular. If it is a plural means you just write the plural in this given blank space. Each question carry 1 marks, totally 3 marks. Next, fourth question. Fill in the blanks with correct collective noun. Here some collective nouns are given in these boxes. Below the box some sentences are given. You just read the sentence and then find the correct collective noun from the boxes given, and then have to complete this blank with the correct collective noun. In this question, each question carry 1 marks, totally 3 marks. Next, fifth question. Write the matching female nouns. Here some male nouns are given. That means male genders nouns are given. You just fill this blank with the matching female nouns. In this, each question carries half marks, totally 2 marks. Next, sixth question. Change the singular noun to its plural noun. Here singular nouns are given in this left side. You just change the singular noun to plural noun. Finally, you have to complete in this blank. Let us see the third page. Seventh question. Look at this. This is the seventh question. Use the table and write 3 to 5 sentences on where would you like to go for your next trip. Where are you going? In this tabular column, you just complete this tabular column with 3 to 5 sentences about your next trip. Mode of travel, what to pack, bookings. Just complete this as your own. Yes, ma. Below this, you have to write 3 to 5 sentences about your trip. Next, 8th question. Read the story and answer the questions given below. In 8th question, one story is given, ma. Yes, as your own independently, you just read the story and then try to answer the questions from this story given below. For the story, you can answer the questions. They are A, B, C, D and E questions are given. You just read the questions and answer the questions. You can refer the story for answer this question. Right? How does Ahmed look? Give evidence from the story to support your answer. What is the main idea of the story? Fill the table and write the answer in the space provided. Main idea, detail 1, detail 2 and then detail 3. Next, below this you have to write 2 or 3 sentences about this main idea. And then, have you felt very thirsty or had no water? What did you do? With your own answer, you have to complete this C subpart question. Look at the next question. D. Ahmed saw some tourists in the distance. What do you think is the meaning of the underlined word? You just find the meaning of the underlined word from these options given and then tick the correct option. Which word from the story means beautiful? Tick the correct answer. What is meant by beautiful? You just choose the correct answer from these three options and then tick the correct answer. Okay children, this is the question. You have to write it as self-test as your own in your notebook or in your paper. You just practice the test ma. This will help you to attend your ELGA EOI exam. EOI exam means yes. Fine, we have to finally exam, write in your final exam now. Yes, this will help you to attend your EOI exam. So that you just practice all the questions given. I will send the questions again in your WhatsApp group. You just copy the questions and then try to answer as your own in your notebook or a paper. Okay children, all of you take care. See you in next class. Bye. Thank you.